Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that stands out in the world of safety mirrors. The Angooni 24-inch Unbreakable Convex Mirror. If you're looking for the best traffic mirror for outdoor use, you're in the right place. This mirror is designed to enhance visibility and safety in a variety of settings, making it a must-have for driveways, parking lots, and even busy intersections. First off, let's talk about the construction. This mirror is made from high-quality polycarbonate material, known for its lightweight yet incredibly durable properties. Unlike traditional glass mirrors, this convex design is virtually unbreakable, which means it can withstand harsh weather conditions and any accidental bumps that may occur. Whether it's heavy rain or strong winds, this mirror is built to last, ensuring that your investment is protected. One of the standout features of the Angooni mirror is its wide and crisp view. This 24-inch mirror provides a high-definition reflection, allowing you to see up to 35 feet away. This is crucial for ensuring safety in blind spots, giving you the ability to spot vehicles, pedestrians, or any potential hazards before they come into your line of sight. The adjustable ball joint and semicircular bracket also allow for an impressive 180-degree angle adjustment, making it easy to find the perfect positioning. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. With the included mounting hardware, you can have this mirror set up in just a few minutes. It's compatible with various surfaces, be it wood, metal, or concrete, making it a versatile choice for both residential and commercial applications. Just make sure to remove the protective film before use to get the clearest reflection possible. Whether you're using it at home to monitor your driveway or in a business setting to enhance security, this mirror is adaptable to many environments. It's perfect for blind driveways, garages, and even retail stores where visibility is crucial for safety. In summary, the Angooni 24-inch Unbreakable Convex Mirror is an exceptional tool for improving visibility and safety in outdoor spaces. With its sturdy design, wide view, and easy installation, it truly is the best traffic mirror for outdoor use. If you want peace of mind knowing that you can see what's coming, this is the product for you. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you're interested in purchasing the Angooni mirror or want to learn more, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and safety tips. See you next time.